of 1961-65, resulting in a victory and bolstering national pride. Srimati Indira Gandhi enhanced agriculture in 1969, aiming to increase financial inclusion. Instrumental in creation of Bangladesh in 1971 after Indo-Pakistani War. Sri Morarji Desai, to some extent, took steps to improve relations with neighboring countries and supported the United Nations role in global affairs. Sri Rajiv Gandhi, technological advantages, promoted the use of technology and information technology in governance and education. Initiated steps towards economic liberalization and modernization. Advocated for the implementation of nation policy on education, which aimed to improve and standardize education. Sri Chandrasekhar managed the economic crisis of 1991, which led to significant economic reforms and liberalization. His government was instrumental in stabilizing the political scenario and paving the way for economic reforms. Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao introduced major economic reforms including privatization and liberalization of the economy, which led to significant growth. Strengthened India's relations with United Nations and other major global powers. Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee continued economic reforms and modernization, promoted major infrastructure projects like the Golden Quadrilateral Highway network, conducted nuclear tests in 1998, establishing India as a nuclear power. His tenure is remembered for efforts to maintain political stability and promote economic progress. Sri Manmohan Singh implemented policies to further liberalize the economy and achieve notable economic growth. Expanded social programs such as National Rural Employment Guarantee Act and the Right to Information Act. Strengthened relations with major countries and played a key role in the Indo-US nuclear deal. Sri Narendra Modi implemented GSTs and promoted Make in India initiative, focused on large-scale infrastructure projects, including the construction of highways, smart cities, and Swachh Bharat Mission. Launched initiatives like Jan Dhan Yojana, Ayushman Bharat, and Ujjwala Yojana. Strengthened India's strategic partnership with various countries and increased India's global presence. Each Prime Minister of India has left a distinct mark on India's development and progress, reflecting their unique policies and changing needs of the nation during their respective tenures. Jai Hind.
స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకల సందర్భంగా జాతీయ సమైక్యతను చూపిస్తూ అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ప్రదర్శన అందించినటువంటి చిన్నారులందరికీ మరొకసారి హృదయపూర్వక అభినందన గట్టిగా మన చప్పట్ల ద్వారా తెలియజేసి వారిని అభినందిద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ బిగ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాజ్ అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్. రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం అందిస్తున్నటువంటి వివిధ రకాలైనటువంటి అభివృద్ధి కార్యక్రమాన్ని పరిచయం చేస్తూ మీకోసం జన్మభూమి అనే థీమ్ తోటి అందించడానికి సిద్ధంగా వస్తున్నారు చెమ్ముమియాపేట గర్ల్స్ పాఠశాల విద్యార్థులు.